So what I did was I actually revamped Samsung in a Minute, but I turned it into a second channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Jimmy is Promo, and today I have some exciting news to share with you. So a long time ago, I created this video series or a playlist that was called Samsung in a Minute. It was these really fast videos, even where I spoke extremely fast, but I tried to get out as much content as possible within 1 or 2 minutes. Now for me, I noticed that it was pretty much in its infant stage. There's a lot of things I was able to do with it to make it a little bit better, and you guys loved the video content. It went quick, straight to the point, because sometimes here on Jimmy is Promo, I do go in depth, I do give a lot of analogies and a lot of explanations, but there's also a reason and purpose for it. Everybody is in completely different stages of using a smartphone. You might have had Samsung for 9 years, or you could have had them for 9 days. And so I'm really trying to hit everybody in these videos to where you can either follow along or you might know what I'm talking about and pick up a couple tidbits. So what I did was I actually revamped Samsung in a Minute, but I turned it into a second channel. So you won't see any differences or changes with this channel. I'm still trying to bust out videos Monday through Friday or Monday through Saturday, but I'm also going to try to do the exact same thing with Samsung in a Minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that channel below this one inside of the description. If you guys are interested and you want to go straight to the point, 1 minute, 2 minute of something, training of a Samsung product. It could be Samsung 101 things, but it could also be advanced things, but I'm just doing it really fast, to the point, no explanations, and a lot of people love that type of content. So if you are interested in that style of videos, straight to the point, getting it done in 1 or 2 minutes, I will be placing that channel information below this video inside the description. Click on that one. I'm going to share this for probably a week or two, even on my main channel right here, just to kind of grow that one. And then this way I know for a fact, is this something to pursue? Because I know that there's a lot of potential with this. So I hope that you love this idea as well and you hit on subscribe. So starting today will be the first video going up and launching, and then I have a couple of them already scheduled and ready to go as well. So we're going to really go off with a big boom and get some of these videos started so you can see that type of styled channel. And also there is 2 old videos on there if you want to check out some old content from me and my son. I started this thing a long time ago. It didn't really kick off, didn't do anything with it, didn't have time for it. But now that I am full-time, I have a lot of time that I'm able to create a second channel to do quickie videos. Other than that, again, make sure you hit on that like button, hit on subscribe, and subscribe to that channel called Samsung in a Minute. And I'll see you guys later.